In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create page template in Shopify, step by step. If you've ever wanted a unique layout for certain pages, like a featured press page or a special promo page, creating a custom page template is the cleanest way to do it. A template controls the structure and sections a page can use, so you can reuse the same design across multiple pages without rebuilding it each time. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, head to Online Store. This is where all of your storefront settings live. Next, open Themes. You'll see your current theme at the top. Click Customize or Edit Theme, depending on how it's labeled for you. That opens the theme editor, where templates and sections are managed. At the top of the editor, you'll likely see a drop-down that currently says Homepage. Click that. This menu lets you switch between different template types so you can edit them in context. In the list that appears, select Pages. You're now viewing templates specifically for standard pages on your site. Look for the option to Create Template and click it. A small panel will ask you to name the new template. Type Highlight. That's just the example name being used here. Feel free to use a clear, descriptive naming convention in your own workflow so you can recognize templates later. You'll also see a Based On option. Choose Default Page. This tells Shopify to start your new template with the same structure as the regular page template, so nothing breaks and you can customize from a familiar base. When you're ready, click Create Template to confirm. You've now created a brand new page template called Highlight. From here, you can tailor its layout inside the editor, add or remove sections, adjust settings, and style it to match the purpose of this template. Remember, any changes you make to this template will apply to every page that uses it, which is exactly what you want for consistent, repeatable designs. A couple of quick tips for smooth management. Keep your template names short and descriptive so they're easy to find later. If your theme supports it, use sections specifically designed for pages, like rich text, image banners, and FAQs, to keep things flexible. And when you're done customizing, you'll be able to pick this highlight template from the Theme Template dropdown whenever you create or edit a page in your admin. That's it. You've created a reusable Shopify page